Hey guys, so we're gonna be making
slime, and what you will need is something to mix with.
to mix in detergent and Elmer's glue or whatever glue works.
Well, don't try any fabric glue or anything.
I just record you because I'm with the baby.
Okay. So, how much glue are we using?
How many? Whatever.
So you don't mind if we use it all? Because it's gonna be a big batch.
Let me here. Hold this. Hold this. I'll hold this.
Just need to pour all that in.
That much?
It's not gonna be that enough because it's gonna be all soggy and wet.
That much?
I don't know.
Is that it? Is that enough?
Let's just start stirring right now. Cause it's gonna, I don't know. See, it's already starting to come together like that. You guys, we're making a big batch because she's always fighting over it.
It's turning into it already. It's already turning into slime.
Oh, guys, put it down, put it down. Yes.
We use Elmer's glue because it turns into slime easier and faster.
We could use clear glue though.
Yeah, any kind of glue works.
But the clear glue works better.
Fabric or other glues
Don't.
you do not want to use.
Yeah, because the fabric glue, it just
Or cheap glues.
yeah, never use those. Unless it's like
$1.
Yeah.
That would be good.
if it's like
79 cents or something like that. Don't buy
that's
it.
good. Yeah.
But if it's like $1, like 99 cents, buy it. Does it feel weird?
Bring it up, bring it up.
I'm wetting my pants.
So guys, yeah, it's turning really weird.
But it's like putty, but it's really cool.
Oh, look at that. It's like a really big one.
This is probably one of our biggest ones.
Yeah. Well, I made bigger, but
But
yeah.
just us together. Look at this little cute baby. Who's this?
it was our biggest one. Because remember we had the other one? Marissa, remember we had the other one, but it was all like stringy.
Oh yeah,
It was way bigger than this though.
Oh yeah, the other one that came out horrible in the garage. Yeah.
Let's keep it. Oh, no.
Here, wipe it on my pants. I don't really care. You're washing my pants.
Okay, here you go.
I think we used the whole bottle. No, there's still glue in here. You want to use more glue?
Yeah. Pour it on in there. And then we're gonna have to get messy.
And we just wait for it to come out. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Nice and big. Oh, baby, baby. Do, 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 do. Yeah, that's enough?
I think that's enough. Okay. Oh, look, there's a bubble.
Okay,
Mixing it.
so just like, keep on mixing, guys. And it should
And
like,
then-
start to come together.
Yeah, it will start coming together, and then when you feel it start coming together, you're gonna want to get something that you don't use. I don't use this because it's too big on me. And you're gonna start touching it or like grabbing it.
Yeah, and if it like gets really messy, then you're gonna have to like wipe it on here.
Yeah, so
Like on your hands. So let's get started.
put the glue there. Let's start mixing it with our hands. So get a piece. If he comes in the video, it's just okay. He's just a little baby. He's 1 year old. So,
We're gonna do this.
I'm just gonna spray that.
Oh my gosh, Marissa.
This feels so cool.
This is like so cool.
You guys,
Why'd you
look
take
it.
all of it?
Here. Have the cool part. Get the cool part.
It's gonna get stuck on there, Marissa. We're losing it all.
No.
Marissa, you're so stupid.
Oh, shoot. No. Baby, do you need to
Try to get it out, Marissa. Because then we can lose it all.
Okay. I got it.
Marissa's trying to follow me. This is
No,
really
baby.
weird.
No.
So what you want to do is just like keep on mixing it so it like gets non-sticky. And once it's
Give me it.
mixed hot,
I got the detergent on my hands.
wait, don't keep on putting the detergent on there because then it's gonna make it like wet.
Okay. Give me it.
Battery. Where's the battery?
It's okay.
So it'll be like
No,
stringy
baby.
at first, but it'll start to come together as you keep on mixing it.
Not really mixing it, but like touching it.
I forgot what the word's called.
Playing around with it, or
No, it's...
what letter does it start with? No.
So you could just keep on getting your hands messy because it's going to start like getting like non-sticky. And once you put it on those parts where it's still stuck to you, it'll just come right off. Oh no. Come back. Come back.
I found slime.
Come back, come on. Come on.
As you guys can see, it's starting to come together.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
That's my baby brother's butt.
Don't tell them.
His diaper. They can see his feet, Nessa. Daddy's home. Daddy. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. Oh, shoot, he messed up his hands. His hands. Here. I'm gonna clean his hands.
Can you wipe me? Can you wipe me?
No. This way. Oops.
Oh, no.
Oh, I got it.
Hi, Mother. Don't worry, we're not using your detergent.
Come over here right now.
So, guys, it's starting to come together now.
I got you.
Oh my gosh, Marissa, it's actually starting to come together. Okay. So just like keep on kneading it.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's like starting to get non-sticky.
Okay. You want to put glue? Okay, put glue. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. Here, look at
And this, after, it's gonna be satisfying.
Yeah.
You're like, fuck. Oh my gosh, I just poked my fingers in and nothing came on. Okay.
Look, it's kind of like getting the stickiness away. So when we're done, guys, we're actually gonna put it down on a seat or a table, and we're gonna poke holes in it because it looks satisfying. So
Yeah, so we're gonna do the satisfying thing.
chills, like
Oh my gosh, look.
vibe.
It's coming together.
Oh shoot.
Marissa. Oh, you're trying to put it in there. It's not come out. Uh-huh. Oh my
But I think there's more glue in there.
Where's the camera?
Let me hold it. Guys, I almost ended this video. So yeah, it's actually, my piece, it's not getting sticky anymore. It's not dirty.
Mine was just there, but...
Here, you want to wash your hands? Give me your,
No, because I'm going to take it off.
give me the slime. So you can wipe it off, and it looks
Put
like,
it on here.
oh yeah.
Don't make your hands
It's
on.
so cool.
You gotta take this. Mine's is.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No babies. No. No. Yes, we call my baby brother babies. I'm gonna see if it looks cool right now. That's so cool. We're gonna start making slime collections. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna
No.
be our artwork.
Should I see if there's any more?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you get Chew me,
This
baby.
is the best slime ever.
I know. Because it's on my glue. There's more glue.
Ooh, that means more slime. And it's actually fun, like, trying to get it non-sticky.
Yeah. You get dirty, but it's fun.
And then in a couple days, I'm gonna like start my science fair project, and Marissa's gonna come to my house and help me with it. So we're gonna be doing that because it's like a slime one. Like which glue
Works
clear
better with
or
borax.
white works better with borax. Yeah.
So I'm gonna start
And
playing
it's
with
gonna
the
make
slime.
really good slime with borax.
She said that she tried the clear glue already, and she said that it works really good.
Yeah. So I think that's gonna be my what's it called? My
Results.
yeah, results.
As you guys can see,
It's
at
really
our,
gooey. Like really good consistency.
No, baby.
Babies. This is like
No.
so fun.
Can you get the slime? My
Why
hand.
is it on you?
Oh.
You need to know more. Show them what happened.
Okay. This is what happens when your consistency is good. Here. Here.
Oh my gosh, you're so stupid.
Here, rip it off.
It's so
It's coming off. It's like for LARP. I made more slime, but it's like still icky.
Okay, so make it like sticky. Because you can't mix that one in with this. I'll just make it.
Hey, boob. No, baby. How did you open that? I'm washing my hands with some slime. Washy. We're gonna have to wash the baby's hands and our hands.
I don't have to wash my hands. I already did. See? I'm acostumbrada.
Slime.
Yeah, it's good.
Can you go wash his hands? Can you like clean his hands and stuff?
Oh my gosh.
Nessa, can you give me the slime? Give me the slime. No, put it right there. And can you clean him? Can you clean him up? No, come clean him up with this.
Come here.
Clean his hands.
His hands are even dirty.
Just there might be liquid on it from this things. Get the cup. It still has glue in it.
This is like the best slime ever, but there's air bubbles in it.
No.
Marissa, you almost done with that?
Help. Stop being distracted.
Mada!
He's not going to do anything. Here. Go put this up there. My pants are so dirty.
See what you did? You didn't know that if you stick it to your clothing, it'll like stick on?
I didn't know it goes onto fabric. Here. I still have. Oh my gosh. Touch it if it's like getting to the consistency.
Yeah. Okay, now, are your hands so dirty? Wait, I'm just...
Okay. No, she won't. So, I clean my hands. Look at me. So dirty. I'm poopy face. So this is starting to get into the consistency. Slime! I just like making slime. It's like so satisfying. And look, watch. Yeah, we'll show you later.
You farting on Twitter. What do you do?
What? What?
Back.
Where's mine?
It's been paused the whole time.
So he couldn't hear the. So they couldn't hear the bad words. Oh my god. Mine melted. Did yours?
Wait.
Just here. Let me do it. Oh yeah. Who's your dad?
Okay. So guys, we're gonna do the squishing now. So.
Dun, dun, dun.
Actually, you might. Hey. So guys, comment down below what you think this looks like.
And comment down below what you think this looks like. Wait, I haven't done it into a shape. What this looks like. Wait. Okay. So yeah. Bye. What are you doing?
Take stuffies, look. Okay, so guys, now we're gonna end the video and we'll, yeah. Comment down below
Is it paused?
no. Comment down below whatever you want, and we just subscribe because we need a lot of subscribers.
And I'm gonna show her the previous video I did on my YouTube channel. So yeah, peace on the streets.